Hi everyone, it's Christian from MacDon here again. I'd like to spend a few moments talking about the EEC Eco Mode on our M2 Windrower. Anything we can do to help you save a little money on fuel and DEF, nobody minds that. I gotta go sweep the floor. The EEC feature is not unique to the M2. It was also available on the M1, and a similar version called Intermediate Speed Control was available on your M1, M155 E4 series. So the EEC system allows you to set your in-field RPM. What that does is that'll save you some additional fuel and DEF, but it does not affect your speeds when you disengage the header. You'll still have full RPM available. So on your touch display, you'll see there's a little gear icon with a leaf on it. If we press that, it brings up the Eco RPM menu. We'll set this to 1800 revolutions. Enter my field, so I go to full RPM, engage the header, and Eco Mode automatically brings my RPM down to 1800. As soon as I turn the Eco Mode off, the leaf goes away, we're back up to full RPM. Re-engage Eco Mode back to our set point. Or as soon as I disengage the header, full RPM available.
Think of the fuel savings.
From what I understand, it's actually significant.